Icon is a fascinating new treatment option. It allows for an aesthetic and biologically respectful treatment of white spots on smooth surfaces. And this creates no unnecessary loss of tooth structure. And it is a simple treatment in just one seating. The Icon principle. The highly fluid Icon infiltrant penetrates via capillary action deeply into the porous enamel and is then cured there with light. And thanks to the similar refractive index, the infiltrated area now optically looks like natural enamel. But how can we demonstrate this principle in a hands-on course realistically? And the solution is simple: quartz. Specifically, specially treated quartz. This will be highly heated and then rapidly cooled. This creates microcracks in the quartz. And this porous structure and the similar whitish appearance simulate the white spots on teeth. So, you have everything? Then let's start. First, fix the quartz to the tray. Note, this step simulates only the use of Icon edge. Different to the real tooth, the quartz will not be changed with the etching procedure. Carefully rinse the quartz over the beaker. Please mind, the material and the water should be kept in the beaker and then close the beaker. Note, this quartz cannot be used for the following steps. Let's summarize treatment step 1. Icon edge has been applied. The hypermineralized layer of the tooth has been removed, and therefore we created an access to the lesion for the later infiltration. The etching gel has been rinsed with water. Note, the infiltration with Icon Dry not only creates the necessary dryness of the lesion. In the treatment of a real tooth, it also enables you to have a preview of the final result. Directly after the application of Icon Dry, you should see the white spots optically mostly disappear. Is this control positive? Then you have access to the lesion. The lesion is ready for the final treatment step. Is the visual control negative, then the application of etching gel and Icon Dry should be repeated until the final result is visible. Note, due to the area and depth of the treated quartz, the complete drying of the quartz would take too long. Therefore, do not use quartz number 2 for the following step. Screw on the vestibular tip on the Icon infiltrant syringe and apply the Icon infiltrant on the third quartz. Wait 3 minutes. The infiltrated quartz becomes translucent. Cure with lights for 40 seconds. Note, step 3, infiltration and light curing, will be repeated in the true treatment of a tooth. Let's summarize treatment step number 3. The tooth has been infiltrated with the resin infiltrant. The porous areas have been filled with resin, and the refractive index after the treatment now optically looks like the natural translucent enamel. The damage is optically vanished. The tooth is stabilized. So I wish you now a lot of fun and success with your Icon hands-on.